people, welcome to my channel Joy the Life Mantra. Now in my previous videos I have talked a lot about how to be positive, how to be self-motivated, what can we do to every time enthusiastic, energetic, but connecting to the news, the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. It was a very terrible news, it was a very shocked news that a 34-year-old actor committed suicide. Now the reasons are not known yet. With our assumptions we can find out one thing, and that is depression. What is that depression? Any kind of feeling or any kind of mood disorder which actually is for a very long time disturbs your mental health, it disturbs your emotional balance, physical balance. It does not help you to concentrate on whatever you are doing. Gradually you start detaching yourself from the worldly activities which are going around you. You detach yourself from the loved ones who are around you, and one thing you learn from these experiences is to smile, and that smile hides your pain which you carry in your heart. Expectation versus reality. Whenever you meet hundreds of people or maybe thousands of people, what you do? The thousands of people there to whom you meet, you show your gestures as you're a very happy-to-go-lucky type person, very energetic, you carry so much smile on your face, but what the reality is? The reality is there is something consuming you from inside, and that is that pain which lives in your heart, which makes your life difficult. Usually those persons are known as SEDNTCS, those persons who are having the capability to hide their pain behind the smile. What is going on in them? What is consuming them is the need to know. Now, with this medium of my video, I would like to connect with all those persons who are listening to me, to all my loved ones, to all my well-wishers, to all the persons whom I am connected to with the medium of social media, that you all are not alone. Please stop having a self-pity on yourselves. It is okay to be angry, okay to cry, it is okay to feel happy, it is okay to be sad. All these are human emotions. Whenever you are encountering these emotions, it is okay because you are a human. Please focus on these points. मैं इंसान हूँ, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, I am very depressed. All these are normal symptoms. Do not let them consume your mind. See, there can be two possibilities. One possibility is either you control your mind, another could be the mind controls you. When you control your mind, you actually lead your life the way you want your life to be. But when your mind consumes you or when your mind controls you, it actually forces you or it makes you a negative person, and the consequences are the untimely or sudden death. It's my humble request, do not do anything which helps you to take this kind of step. Life is very beautiful. If you think you have no one, make music one of your favorite thing. You know, it will never leave you. The Bible states, the God has said in Bible that whenever you feel depressed, don't worry, reach out to me, talk to me, I'm always there and I will never leave you alone. If you think there is no one with you, reach out to your friends. Friends are the best company. Try to read out books. Books are best company a person could keep. Start involving yourself into that. Meditate yourself. Give yourself time, to know the in abouts. What is troubling you? What are those things which are actually creating disturbances in your life? Try to move out from those points. And most importantly, communicate. Do not detach yourself. When you start detaching yourself, you feel that you are burdened on this planet, which is not so. You matter, you are loved, you are important, and the most important is you are a beautiful soul who has the power to live. So with this, I would like to end my conversation, and I would like to say that depression is very devastating thing which forces you to take those steps which you actually don't want to take when you are with a healthy mind. A healthy mind leads to a healthy life. Try to be really positive, one thing. Connect with your friends. Try to be with your loved ones. Don't lose hope. Hope is one thing which will keep you alive for your entire lifetime. That's all. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, be healthy. Do like, subscribe, and share it.